What's the meaning of anew? Anew. 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 Anew.
Anew is an adverb that means to start or begin again, often in a fresh or different way. When someone does something anew, they are doing it as if for the first time, with renewed energy and focus. In other words, it suggests a sense of renewal or rejuvenation. Whether it's starting a new project, learning a new skill, or simply approaching a situation with a fresh perspective, doing something anew can bring about positive change and growth, both personally and professionally.